Insurance companies are basically a criminal business. Their whole business model is built around collecting premiums from you and denying coverage whenever it is that you ask for something that they should otherwise cover. And the reality of the situation is if you have a big claim, you end up having to sue the insurance company just to get them to pay out. I don't think, as an investor, that is something I want to rely on when it comes to the big ticket items. Sure, they're gonna cover the $5,000 slip and fall case that happened on your front porch because it was a little icy outside. But what they're not gonna cover is grandma falling through the staircase, breaking her hip, and now being permanently disabled for the rest of her life. Well, in that case, what they're gonna say is, you should have known about the staircase. This is a case of gross negligence that's outside of your policy limits. You can sue us and spend thousands of dollars against our millions of dollars, hoping that we'll actually end up paying anything out to you. What you need to protect yourself, to protect your assets, is a proper asset protection strategy, incorporating anonymous trusts and LLCs to keep people from coming after your hard-earned dollars. My name is Scott Royal Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney. I'm a real estate investor myself, and I'd like to help you. If you thought this content was good, you have to go see the Bigger Pockets podcast that I did. It was the top 10 things every real estate investor has to know about asset protection, and you can go listen to it right here.